Some of you like to access things on your mobile device. And so I'm going to model how you can actually use SCHED on an iPhone. So what I did is I made sure I used Safari. I did that for a particular reason so I can actually save this and bookmark it as if it was like an app. And you'll see that in a second. But the actual link to our SCHED conference at the top, you'll see it's BSD Future Ready Conference 2016.sched.org. And once you go ahead and type that in and search for it, this page will come up. And you'll see that the schedule actually shows up in a nice format, in a mobile format. But before I go any further, I want to save this to my actual phone. So at the very bottom, there's that send to directly in the middle with the arrow. So I'm going to click that. In the very last section of items, I'm going to go ahead and select add to home screen. So I'm going to hit that plus sign. I might shorten this to FRC for Future Ready Conference and hit add. And the moment you do that, it will then immediately save it, and it looks like an app. It's really just a shortcut or a bookmark. So now I can go ahead and hit Future Ready Conference, click on that, and it will open up the schedule. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to make sure you sign in. So on the right hand side you'll see a silhouette. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it will ask you to log in with your Bedford email and the password. I've already done that. If I go back to schedule, I can then say, yep, I'm going to go to registration and coffee. I'm going to add that to my sketch. Go back. I'm going to go to, let's say, Doctopus and Gubrick. I go ahead and select that. Again, you can read about it, see who's running the session, and then go ahead and say add to my schedule. So as you start adding things to your schedule, you can quickly hop back. And so I believe if I click on that, I can also search via particular topics, but I can also see my sketch, and then my actual schedule will show up that way. And again, if I go ahead and hit schedule at the top, or if I go ahead and select the hamburger icon, I can go back to the main page and then continue selecting different sessions that I want to attend. So it's very easy to use the mobile version of this app, and you can either get the link from the email that's sent to you, or again, it's BSD Future Ready Conference 2016.sched.org.